Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make beef patties. In here I've got 400 grams of ground beef, also called mince, and I've got one diced onion and some garlic, about 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Now I'll season with salt and some pepper. I'm putting some barbecue spice, and some mint spice, at this stage you can add your favorite spices, it's all up to you. Let's mix this. You don't want to overmix your mince because the patty will become tough, so do this gently. So when your mince and your onion and garlic and your spices are mixed up, now it's time to add some breadcrumbs. Got about a handful. And about a handful of flour, self-raising flour. I didn't put all of it there. Now let's mix everything together. So the flour is to bind our patties. Now at this stage, it's about time to make the patties. Now to make our patties, our shapes, I've got a bowl of water, so you dip your hands a bit and you rub them together, then you make balls as if you're making meatballs. First form a ball, right? So we got 5 patties from 400 grams of beef. You can get 6 if you're lucky. Now using the palm of your hand, you press them down like that. Try to make a shape of a patty. Trust me, this is very delicious. So this is how your patty should look. There we've got 2 patties. If your hands are sticky, don't forget to dip them in water. Let's do the last patty. So So now, if you want to perfect the shape of your patty, you can use a tumbler to cut them through, to remove the excess meat, just like that. See, this one has got a perfect shape as compared to this one. But well, that's your personal choice. I prefer more meat, so I usually leave mine like this. Now we're going to put a pan on the stove to shallow fry our patties, in case you want to make burgers or you want to serve them as a side meal. Thank you guys for watching.